High cholesterol or fatty liver? Use turmeric. This way, clear your blood fats and support a cleaner liver. Dear friends, in many American kitchens today, there's a spice that looks simple, yet modern medicine often calls it a natural antibiotic. That spice is turmeric. Beyond adding a golden color and warm flavor to food, turmeric carries a hidden strength. It helps clean the blood, lower bad cholesterol, and support the liver's natural detox work. If you look around, you will notice that high cholesterol and fatty liver are becoming more and more common in America. Many people are shocked at a routine checkup when their cholesterol levels suddenly spike, or when an ultrasound shows fat building up in the liver. At first, it feels harmless. I don't have any symptoms. But that silent progression is exactly what makes these conditions dangerous. Elevated blood fats and fatty liver can lead to heart attack, stroke, liver scarring, and even liver cancer. What's more troubling, these problems are no longer limited to older adults. Many people in their 30s and 40s, and even younger, are now affected. The causes? Diets high in fried and processed foods, long hours sitting at desks, and frequent alcohol use. So what can help prevent and support treatment? Here's the good news. Turmeric, a humble root you can find in any grocery store, can become a powerful ally for your blood and your liver if you use it the right way. In today's video, we'll explore 3 things. Why turmeric can help lower blood fats and protect the liver. How to use turmeric most effectively and safely. The key precautions, so you avoid turning benefits into risks. Stay with me until the end. With just a few small changes in how you use turmeric each day, you may feel lighter, stronger, and as if your liver has been truly refreshed. Why turmeric is a nemesis of high blood fats and fatty liver. Dear friends, to understand why turmeric is so highly valued, we need to focus on its most powerful compound, curcumin. This golden pigment gives turmeric its color and carries most of its healing strength. Scientists describe curcumin as both a potent anti-inflammatory and a strong antioxidant, meaning it calms hidden inflammation and protects cells from damage caused by free radicals. For people with high blood fats, curcumin works in 2 important ways. First, it helps reduce LDL cholesterol and triglycerides, the very culprits that form plaque inside the arteries, slow circulation, and raise the risk of atherosclerosis, heart attack, and stroke. Second, it increases HDL, the good cholesterol, which sweeps away excess fat and keeps blood vessels clear, so circulation stays smooth. For the liver, the body's main filter, curcumin acts as a loyal partner. It helps activate detox enzymes, supports fat breakdown, and aids in removing toxins. This protective action can slow the dangerous progression from fatty liver to inflammation, fibrosis, or worse. And this is not just theory. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism in 2017 showed that just 1 gram of curcumin daily for 8 weeks led to significant improvements in cholesterol levels and liver enzymes. In other words, turmeric is far more than a simple kitchen spice. It is a powerful natural ally. That is why calling turmeric the nemesis of high blood fats and fatty liver is not folklore. It is supported by both science and real-world results. Traditional and modern ways to use turmeric. In American kitchens today, turmeric has become more than just a spice. You'll see it in health food stores, smoothie bars, and even coffee shops. People use it not only for flavor, but for its healing power. Our grandparents may not have known the word curcumin, but they understood that turmeric had something special to offer. Now, with modern nutrition science, we have even smarter and more effective ways to use turmeric for healthier blood fats and a stronger liver. First, turmeric with honey. Many Americans use this simple combination to soothe digestion and boost immunity. Honey provides natural enzymes and antioxidants, while curcumin supports the stomach and eases the liver's workload. Second, golden milk. This warm evening drink blends turmeric powder into regular milk or plant-based milks, like almond or oat milk. The healthy fats help your body absorb curcumin better, and the drink itself is comforting before bedtime. Third, turmeric with black pepper. This is one of the most researched combinations. Black pepper contains piperine, which can boost curcumin absorption up to 20 times. A pinch of pepper in golden milk or a turmeric latte makes all the difference. Fourth, cooking with turmeric daily. In the U.S., many people sprinkle turmeric into soups, roasted vegetables, salad dressings, or even morning smoothies. It is an easy way to add color, flavor, and steady amounts of curcumin to your diet. And here is the key lesson. With turmeric, it's not the more, the better. It is about using it wisely, so your body can absorb and benefit from every bit of that golden compound. The most studied power trio: turmeric, black pepper, and honey. Among all the different ways to use turmeric, one combination stands out, because it is both popular and backed by science. That is the trio of turmeric, black pepper, and honey. Here is why. On its own, curcumin from turmeric is poorly absorbed in the body. But when paired with piperine, the active compound in black pepper, absorption can increase by up to 2,000%, 20 times more effective. Adding raw honey not only makes the drink smoother and easier to enjoy, but also brings its own natural enzymes and antioxidants, which may further support liver health. That is why more and more health experts now recommend a simple daily drink, often called the Golden Liver Cleanse. It is especially helpful for people struggling with high cholesterol or fatty liver. Next, let us go step by step through this powerful recipe. The Golden Liver Cleanse Drink. To support healthy cholesterol and protect the liver, there is a simple recipe you can make right at home. It is called the Golden Liver Cleanse Drink. The ingredients are straightforward: half a teaspoon of pure turmeric powder, a small pinch of freshly ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of raw honey, and about 5 ounces of warm water. The water should be warm enough to dissolve the powder, but not so hot that it destroys curcumin or the delicate enzymes. In honey, each ingredient has a purpose. Turmeric provides curcumin, which research shows can lower LDL, reduce triglycerides, and raise HDL cholesterol. A 2019 review confirmed significant improvements in cholesterol and blood fats in people who took curcumin regularly. Black pepper supplies piperine, and a landmark study in Plantamedica revealed that piperine can increase curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Honey not only improves the flavor, it adds natural antioxidants and enzymes, and some studies suggest it may even support liver health. The best way to use this drink is to stir it well and enjoy it about 20 to 30 minutes after a main meal. Having food in the stomach improves absorption and helps prevent irritation. Over time, the golden drink does more than lower blood fats and support detox. Thanks to the strong antioxidant activity of curcumin, it may also slow down cellular aging and leave the skin looking brighter and healthier. One example comes from a 58-year-old man who discovered high cholesterol and elevated liver enzymes during a routine checkup. He often felt tired and bloated and assumed it was just age. Along with cutting back on alcohol and eating better, he started drinking this golden mix every morning. After 6 weeks, His LDL cholesterol had dropped, his liver enzymes were close to normal, and he felt lighter, more energetic, and noticed healthier skin. What kept him consistent was how simple and affordable it was. Just turmeric, black pepper, and honey from the kitchen, and the addition of black pepper made it far more effective than turmeric alone. Comforting everyday dishes with turmeric. Turmeric does not need to be complicated. In fact, it fits naturally into many simple, everyday meals that are both nourishing and easy on the liver. One example is baked or grilled fish seasoned with turmeric. Fish provides light, easily digested protein and very little saturated fat. Curcumin helps keep arteries cleaner, while the protein in fish is gentle on the liver compared with red meat. This makes it a smart staple to add to the weekly menu. Another option is a turmeric chicken soup or stew. Chicken offers bioavailable protein that supports liver cell repair, while turmeric aids detox and reduces inflammation. When paired with vegetables like carrots, celery, or leafy greens, this dish becomes a comforting way to restore energy, especially for anyone dealing with fatigue from fatty liver. For a plant-based choice, try turmeric stir-fried tofu, or even tofu added to a turmeric vegetable curry. Soy contains isoflavones that may help balance blood fats, and when combined with curcumin's anti-inflammatory effect, the result is tasty, satisfying, and easy on digestion. These dishes are familiar, budget-friendly, and effortless to prepare. More importantly, they provide practical ways to work turmeric into daily eating, helping you enjoy flavorful meals while protecting your heart and your liver. Who should use turmeric, and who should be careful? Turmeric can be a powerful ally, but like any natural remedy, it works best when used by the right people in the right way. It is especially helpful for those dealing with high cholesterol, fatty liver, or frequent alcohol use because curcumin supports healthier fat metabolism and liver detox pathways. People with gastric irritation or ulcers may also benefit, as curcumin can soothe the stomach lining and support healing. However, there are situations where caution is needed. If you have gallstones or bile duct obstruction, turmeric may trigger gallbladder contractions and cause pain. If you are on blood thinners, such as warfarin or daily aspirin, turmeric's mild blood-thinning effect can raise the risk of bleeding. And, for pregnant women, high doses of turmeric are not advised, since they may stimulate uterine contractions. As for dosage, most experts recommend limiting turmeric powder to about 3 to 4 grams per day, roughly 1 teaspoon. More than that may cause heat sensation, diarrhea, or digestive upset. When used wisely, turmeric is a supportive friend to your health. But when used excessively or in the wrong context, it can become more of a burden than a benefit. Common mistakes when using turmeric. Turmeric is powerful, but if you use it the wrong way, you may lose the benefits or even create new problems. Here are the most common mistakes to avoid. The first mistake is taking large amounts of raw turmeric powder. Raw powder is poorly absorbed and can easily irritate the stomach. The key is not to overload, but to use the right dose and prepare it in a way that your body can absorb. The second mistake is chewing raw turmeric every day. This habit can stain your teeth, leave bad breath, and irritate the stomach lining. If you enjoy fresh turmeric, make sure it is cooked or blended into recipes that are gentle on digestion. The third mistake is mixing turmeric with prescription drugs without medical guidance, because turmeric can mildly thin the blood. Combining it with anticoagulants or certain blood pressure medications can increase risks. If you are on medication, always talk with your doctor before making turmeric a daily habit. And the fourth mistake is buying low-quality turmeric powders. Some products on the market are adulterated with dyes or chemicals. Instead of supporting your liver, they can add more toxins. Always choose turmeric from trusted brands with clear quality testing. By avoiding these mistakes, you give turmeric the chance to truly work as the natural ally it is meant to be. Expert guidance. Turmeric is truly a gift of nature. But lasting. Results do not come from taking huge doses or using it randomly. They come from consistent, smart use, combined with a healthy lifestyle. First, use it the right way. Pair turmeric with black pepper or healthy fats to improve absorption, and keep the amount reasonable. Second, eat for your liver. Focus on vegetables, fiber-rich foods, and less fried or processed meals. Limit alcohol. The lighter your diet, the more room curcumin has to do its work. Third, move your body every day. Just 30 minutes of brisk walking, yoga, or cycling improves circulation and supports liver function, making turmeric even more effective. And fourth, check your numbers. Regular tests of cholesterol and liver enzymes show where you stand and guide you to safe, steady progress. Used wisely, turmeric is more than a spice. It becomes a dependable ally in your journey to better health. Protecting your health does not always mean expensive treatments or complicated plans. Sometimes it begins with a simple daily habit, like adding a touch of golden turmeric to your routine. Over time, your liver may feel cleaner, your cholesterol better controlled, and your body lighter and more energetic. Start today and stay consistent. After 1 month, 3 months, or 6 months, you will notice the difference in your energy, in your mood, and even in your lab results. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it so others can benefit from nature's gifts. And do not forget to subscribe to Healthier Life Daily. Together, we can build a supportive community for healthy, joyful living after 50.